All right, so what we've been tasked with is getting these two sconces on the wall without needing to run wiring in the wall, add a switch in the wall, anything like that, needing to do um, a light box back in the wall, anything like that. Easiest way that we're going to be able to do that, and this is something that anybody can do. I would say anybody, if you know how to hang pictures, you should be able to do this. It's pretty simple, not super complicated. You're basically, in a way, going to be using wireless electricity. No wires need to be run. What is wireless electricity? Batteries. It's a battery operated bulb. It's rechargeable. Screws into the light socket, but what we're going to be doing instead of wiring it, we're going to take these off. And I'm not even going to use the bracket that it comes with because I don't want to make a whole bunch of marks on the wall, because most of these brackets are meant to be a little bit inset into the box, and it's going to mark up the wall pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add 2 anchors in the wall, and then the screws are going to screw straight through this. This is not visible through the glass, so I don't really need to use the little white stubs that it comes with. And yeah, this light bulb, which you can get on Amazon, is rechargeable. And in order to remove it, it just screws straight in. It's touch activated. Screws right into the socket. So these wires on the back, we're just going to leave like this. They don't go to anything. No power comes through this feeding back through. And when you need to recharge it, this whole thing's just removable. It's magnetic. Just put it on there. It'll stay. It'll hang on the wall. Put off the light. To turn it on and off, once you've got it there, it comes with a remote. Turn it off. Turn it on. It'll work the same on the other one. One remote will do them both, or you can aim it specifically at one and turn one off and leave the other one on. But yeah. So we'll go ahead, mark where these need to be on the wall, and put some anchors in the wall, and get this mounted. And then it's just a matter of putting the glass on. Really quick and easy. Like I said, anybody can hang their own sconces and have lights now. And then when you need to recharge the bulb, it's really easy to just pull off and remove. So let's go ahead and get this started. First thing you got to do, find the height that you want it at, and mark that on the wall. We've already done that. We've marked, let's see if you can see that there. That's going to be the center point of this bracket. So we'll measure out from there. There's a 3.5-inch gap between here. So we're going to go 1.75 inches from the center out each direction. And that's where our 2 anchors are going to have to go in the wall. So we'll get those anchors put in, and we'll get this screwed on and go on to the next step. So our holes are in for the anchors. One way you could double check this is if you've got the bracket that it came with, you should. You can put these screw studs right up to the holes, and they should line up perfectly, and they do. So that's exactly where the anchors need to be. And so we'll just take these 2 little plastic pieces, them there. Oop, might need to be a little bit bigger. We'll see. Put that on there and just hammer it in. Once that's been done, you'll just screw it in. I did find some white screws in the truck, so we'll go ahead and use those. Hold this up here. Screw through. Get it lined up with that first hole. A little bit tricky doing this with one hand. Get the second one lined up just right. If I can get a good angle on that. I don't know if I can get, yeah, there you go. Well, you might not not be able to see that so well. But yeah, that one's lined up just right. Then we'll tighten these up. There you have it. Now we'll just place our bulb on there and turn on and off with the little remote here. You can change color temperature. You can even do pink or whatever you want to do. So yeah, we'll turn that off. Now all we got to do is put this lens on. It's got two little screw holes in the side that these little studs will go in and attach to these. That's what it looks like fully assembled. Got them both put up. So we'll go ahead and click the main lights off. It does put off a decent amount of light. I'm not gonna lie, I was actually surprised. They are dimmable. Like I said, you can change the brightness, change the color temperature, and if you aim the remote specifically at one, you can control just that one. But you know, just the general aiming in between them for this setting seems to work pretty good. They're about 8 foot apart from each other, and just aiming the remote at the middle seems to work them both pretty good. So yeah, thanks for joining us today on how it's done. For more videos like this, like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. That's how it's done.